Hang on. I think I'm gonna cry. Okay, I've decided. I think I want bangs. And I think I'm gonna try to cut them myself. Oh, okay. Deep breath. All right, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. Oh my gosh, this is gonna go very bad. Here we go. Everything that I've read says we need a rat tail comb, so I dug through my hair supplies, and to be honest, I was really hoping that I couldn't find it and then I would just be done with the whole idea and talk myself out of it, and I found it. Okay, so rat tail comb. Got it. Okay, so we need some hair clips to hold back the remaining hair that we're not gonna cut, hold it out of the way. You don't want to use these kind of scissors, and I think you can probably get these at Walgreens. I ordered mine from Amazon, so you could do that. I don't even know why I own this. This is very scary. Why do I have this? This tempts me to do things like cut my bangs. No, golly. All right, I haven't had bangs. I mean, you can see how long my hair is. Haven't had bangs in forever. Okay, so I think what we need to do, first is they say about 3 fingers back is how far we want to go with it. So I'm gonna assume that mine are gonna start right there, and I'm gonna bring it down to my ear. Did I do that right? Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Bring it down. Kind of pull that forward. Is that what we have? Alright, I think now's the time to clip this out of the way. Because golly, wouldn't that be bad? Definitely want to hold that out of the way. Okay, so that's about 3 fingers. Okay, so 3 fingers, and I've split it down to my ear. So if we continue over down to the ear, I think, golly, that looks like a lot of bangs. Okay, that can't be right. Let me clip this out of the way so I can really see what we're working with. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I looked in the mirror in the bathroom, and I think I've got this a little split a little too far back, because I want it to just kind of come to the front of my ear. So that's what I'm gonna say we've got happening there. I'm going to clip this back too, just because I'm panicked about having hair in the mix that I don't want to cut. Okay. Okay, so I saw one video where the guy kind of pushed forward. Nah, it's not working for me. It just parts where my normal part is. The guy pushed forward and said you can tell where the edge of your bangs are supposed to stop because it's supposed to split. So if I take this and I push up, mine's split in the middle, which means don't do this. Enough of that. We're gonna do it. We're committed. I'm going to leave out a little bit here because I think I don't want it to go past the edge of my brow. From the corner of my brow upward is about where we want it to split, and I think that's what I've got going there. So these little pieces I don't want to deal with right now. Not sure which way. Let me clip that. Cute. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna clip these separately out of the way so that they don't get mixed up into what I've already sectioned off. But I know that those are what I want my little pieces. Oh, this is a cute look. Those are what I want my little pieces to be. So now I can just sit here and brush this until I convince myself this is a bad idea. Bad idea or not, we're about to do it. Oh, all right, just do it, just do it, just do it. I can't even see very well to tell what I'm going to do. I know you don't want to pull it straight out. I know you don't want to pull tight with your hand and like smash it against your face. So we're just gonna kind of hold it downward. I'm just going to cut a straight line. It is happening. What did I just do? That's a lot of hair. I can't even see. I'm not even gonna look. It's just... Okay, what happened? Oh, that looks terrible already. Okay, so I know I'm gonna have to go shorter than that. I don't really want to. I can't really tell what I'm looking at. This is harder than it looks on YouTube, guys. I'm gonna leave out that and maybe leave out this because I'm kind of liking how those are angled. So if I bring this down, let's cut off a little more. I'm gonna do this gradually. Okay, so if I have it like this and I do a point cut across the bottom, let's see what happens. Shorter has to be done. Okay, so I'm gonna leave those to the side. Gonna come here to this middle part and I'm gonna go shorter. So let's come a little bit shorter in the middle. Now we're getting close, I think. Don't you think? That's a good look, right? Oh my gosh, I haven't had bangs since probably 6th grade. I'm really scared about this. Okay, done deal. Such a good look. End the video. Time to call Kendall, my hairdresser. If they're straight down, I think what I want to do is pick up a little bit here. Kind of this top little layer. I'm gonna clip that back out of the way just so that I can see a little bit better. Ooh, that's cute. And I think what I need to do is now just kind of do a little thinning because it's right at my eyes. I'm just gonna point cut. This is a freaky feeling. I don't want to cut my eyelashes. And then I want to make sure that these kind of blend to that outer edge. So I'm just gonna angle like that, kind of point cut so it doesn't look like I just whacked that off like I just did. And then let's see kind of how this blends together from the edges, like I did with the other. Because yeah, I can see where it's choppy. Okay, done that. And then I think what I want to do is just these little top pieces. I want to just kind of point cut up in there because I can definitely see right here. That is so crazy to see. All right, now, so if they're piecey like that, that's not too bad, you guys. Oh, how can I say that? Yeah, I've got to go shorter, don't you think? I gotta go shorter. I don't want to go shorter. Okay, we're going shorter, even though I just said I don't want to go shorter. Let's see, we'll come right in here. This is bad. Oh, oh, oh. Poke myself in the eyeball. Now I can't see anything. If I trim my eyelashes off, I'm gonna really be upset. Oh, that's bad. Okay, so now that I've got them too short, I'm going to just point cut a little in here to kind of Are we okay? Whew. I've got one or two little pieces here. Okay. I think point cutting is the trick to just kind of lighten that line up a little bit. So I'm just gonna try to see. Can you see how chunky that looks? So I want to just probably shouldn't have done that. Let's see what I need to fix. Just kind of fix that a little bit. So if I pull my hair up, what are we looking at? It just looks so different. What do we think? Are they wispy enough? Maybe. What if I like them, guys? See, I'm holding these scissors like I want to keep doing stuff. Comment down below and let me know, have you ever cut your own bangs? What happened? How did it turn out? Did you regret it? If you think I'm crazy and you still like this video, hit the thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. I probably won't be doing any more hair cutting on myself. I may be calling my hairdresser Kendall right now and headed to her shop to see if she can help me decide what to do with this. I'm just not sure. Let me give it an hour or so and see what's gonna happen. A selfie. Oh, that's a good one. I've got to send that to my sister. She's gonna die. Okay, so I kept fiddling with it a little bit after I turned the camera off. I trimmed a little bit more, brought it up a little bit, so now you can actually see that I have lashes. I can actually see you. So, I don't know, I kind of like it. It made my hair look a lot darker. I had balayage kind of around the edges, and so now all of that's gone, so I need a new dye job. Maybe that'll be our next YouTube video. My husband, I sent him a picture and he said, oh my gosh, you look so beautiful, I'm coming home early. So